Good morning. Today is a lot quieter than yesterday. Yesterday, of course, we had the snow and the rain that moved through and then the wind. Today, we are looking at some quiet conditions. It is mostly cloudy. It's not going to be one of those days where we're nice and bright, at least not for most of the valley. But temperatures are on their way up after bottoming out already overnight. Here's a look at some of our numbers. This was earlier in the night. We're looking at 5 below in Bemidji, our coldest reading in Park Rapids at 6 below, 4 below in Baudette. Fargo got down to 4 degrees and 8 in Grand Forks, and we're down into the teens out west. Now check out our current numbers. A lot better. We are milder in Fargo. We've added 11 degrees to our temperature already this morning. We're at 15 in Fargo. It's 16 in Grand Forks. Still pretty chilly to the east. We're still below zero, but we're on the upward trend here in Bemidji and Baudette at 2 below there. And a lot milder out to the west. It's 27 in Devils Lake and 24 in Jamestown. Checking out your wind speeds, we've got wind out of the south or southwest, and wind is a lot lighter than yesterday, up to 12 miles per hour here in Grand Forks. Our visibility is good for everybody except for one spot, Cavalier. We're down to 1.5 miles for your visibility report. So, one of those mornings where most places are doing just fine, but one is struggling a little bit for your visibility. So take it easy up in the Pembina County area here this morning. Checking out your radar and satellite map, you could see that we've got no snow to show you here this morning, but there are some clouds rolling their way through the valley. And on our tri-state map, looking mostly cloudy, especially for the heart of the Red River Valley here this morning. And again, a quick look across the country. It's very quiet west of the Mississippi. Over to the east, we've got those heavy snow showers happening, some lake effect snow and snow moving into New England and the mid-Atlantic as well. So here's a look at our hourly planner. We're going to watch our chances for snow increase this morning. It shouldn't be a major event, but still can't rule out some flurries, some light snow dropping in this morning. Out of the north, we've got another clipper approaching, and we could be seeing another round of this, very light snow. On the warm side of it, we're going to be into the 20s, even some 30s by the noon hour. Over to the east, not quite as warm, into the teens by lunchtime with mostly cloudy skies there. The wind shouldn't be too strong. We'll see wind speeds into the teens, and that'll be about it for today. By 3 o'clock, we're looking at some numbers that are quite the range here and quite the range of weather conditions too. Over to the east, some teens and some 20s. We might still see a couple of snow showers there. Right along the Red River, we're looking at around 30 degrees for your afternoon highs, and even warmer out west where we get some more sunshine and temperatures that are into the upper 30s, even a low 40 possible over in Ellendale. Now getting into the evening hours tonight, we start to see a little bit milder numbers showing up because that warmer air punches eastward a little bit more. And all of us on the mild side into the late night hours tonight. Some of us just a little bit warmer than others here for this Thursday, or Tuesday rather. Heading into Wednesday, we're looking at some very mild numbers to start off the morning tomorrow. We're in the 20s to some low 30s just to begin the day. And also some strong winds too starting to kick in. We'll see wind out of the northwest gusting into the 30s with a chance for some more light snow showers. Again, these are pretty isolated, but still the potential's there that you could end up with a light snow shower during the day. Expect that to happen perhaps over in the afternoon hours in eastern North Dakota at that point in time. Temperatures are going to be ranging anywhere from, again, around 20 degrees up in the northeast to some mid-30s in the south and west. Checking out the forecast for later tomorrow night, should be pretty quiet and still mild. The wind will be easing up. So we talked about that potential for snow off and on this week with those clippers swinging through. They're pretty fast moving and they don't produce a lot of snow, but it could be just enough over the next couple of days that we get a coating of snow somewhere in the valley, and maybe one or two of us up around Lake of the Woods getting a little more than an inch there. Here's a look at our photo again today. This is in Elbow Lake. Thank you, Anne, for sharing that wintry pretty picture there on the lake. And we're looking at some temperatures again this week that are mild. Some 30s today and tomorrow, some more scattered snow showers on Thursday as well. And getting into the end of the week, Friday for the Bison game looks pretty good at this point. There is that chance for some snow Friday night and into Saturday, but tailgaters, temperatures will be maxing in the afternoon around 30 degrees. As we get into the evening hours, of course, those temperatures will dip rather quickly once that sun starts to set. Saturday may end up with a little bit of snow, and into Sunday, we're looking at some upper 20s coming up for the weekend. So mild numbers here for today. and throughout the 7-day planner with off and on chances for some light snow. Not bad this week. As we get into December, of course, we can expect to have all kinds of weather, and this is pretty comfortable temperature-wise.
Thank you, Lisa. It's a traditional holiday treat, and we're showing you the best ways to create your own gingerbread house next.